maximum volume.
It's pretty loud. I think this is very...
Go.
Nobody's answered my question yet about why is an OT7 in jail for first-degree murder? His business partner shot in the head. 3 times in the back of the head, execution style. Because the partner found out he stole $250,000 for the IAS. Have you had to think about that, guys? How did OT7 ended up in that situation? Thought OTs weren't supposed to do things like that. Nobody wants to talk about Rex Fowler. Just type that name into Google, I dare you. You might find out something. Something that you really, really need to have a good think about.
Oh, finally.